That was a quick one. Oh, it's Duelist again. Oh, he knows. He knows I pick scissors all the time. Damn it. Yo! He turned his chat off. First game of the night. We're doing it on Omega. Bot of prosperity. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video. I want to see the deck list. See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the dreams. Round 1. Dude! I think I'll pick Whiptail. Because it's the other effect there. Normal. 4 summons with Dryden. That's 1, 2, 3. What? 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Yeah, I will, fuck off. It's hard to set again, come on, let me set my card. If I time out while doing this, like, come on, look at this. What? Come on! Hard to set the card. What the fuck? Bruh. It took me like 10 seconds to set that card. Yeah, go ahead. I'll do the ash if it's really necessary. Darkness, red. If it's Red Eyes Fusion, I'm ashing that. Oh, Destiny Hero. What the hell? It's probably a different duelist. Or the same person. One Day of Peace. Okay. Weird. This is gonna be a bunch of materials here. 5, 6, 7, 8 materials loose. What the heck? I'm gonna save these. Or wait a minute. I could do more damage. Let's do more damage. What the fuck? First Altman. Activate. Pay 800. Add Eldritch. I'm gonna Eldritch this one. Aquero. Pop. Oh yeah, it is 1 day of peace bullshit. Fuck. Takes no damage, 1 day of peace. But I need to attack with them, so I go to main phase 2 and stack it to the roof for this one. I hope I'm not wasting all this, because if I do, this is a big waste. I can go in 1, 2, 3 material Zeus after. There it is. Behold, the 8th material Zeus. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Got a pop with Eldritch. Oh, I think I had Caquero. Fuck sakes. I'm gonna try to OTK him right here. Is that OTK? Yeah, it's OTK. Right here. Yeah. Let's do it. Flawless victory. Perfect. He's doing a lot of draws. Droll him out. It's got a lot of back row too. No, lost connection, victory. Yes. Yeah, he unplugged his Ethernet cord. What was that? So we were at 1347, went up by 10. Still at 104. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, if you liked it. See you guys.